Dr. Marie Alcazar, and if you've been out here showing up for everyone else, high achieving, high functioning, high performing, but deep down you're running on empty, this is for you. Because what a lot of people call leadership, well, it's really just survival in disguise. We've been taught that leading means pushing through, holding it all together, smiling while you're suffocating. But if your calendar is packed and your peace is gone, that's not just burnout. You're leading on fumes. So let's talk about that for a second. You're showing up, you're producing, you're still getting stuff done. But it's costing you. The polished smile, the yeses you never meant, your book's solid but breaking inside. Meetings, deadlines, deliverables, but no space for you. We don't talk about that enough. We normalize it, we reward it. But that's not leadership. That's a disconnect in motion. But here's what I'll say, and I mean it. You were not built to fit the title. You were built to change the room. And that's exactly why I created PivotX. It's not just a course. It's not another workshop with good quotes and worksheets. It's not just another leadership program. PivotX is a leadership ecosystem built for people like you, high performers who are done pretending, who are ready to lead with power without sacrificing their peace. We start with the PivotX Activation Scan. It's just a few powerful questions designed to help you check in with yourself and get honest about where you are in your leadership journey. The scan, it's a mirror and a map. So no pressure, no judgment, just truth. And based on your results, you'll land in one of our 4 zones. If you're healing, recalibrating, and trying to find your rhythm again, that's anchor. If you're done circling your potential and ready to make bold moves, that's activate. If you're ready to build something sustainable and aligned, that's architect. And if you're expanding your platform, shifting systems, and helping others rise as you rise, that's Amplify Elite. Each zone is designed to meet you right where you are, because leadership isn't about rushing to the next level. It's about rising with intention. So if the cost of keeping it all together is starting to feel too high, if you're tired of pretending you're fine and ready to lead from a place that actually sustains you, tap the link in the description, take the activation scan, find your zone, and let's shift together. This is Dr. Marie Alcazar, and welcome to PivotX.